Get in your bed. Let's go in your bed. What do you think about that, Leo?
Oh, those will be even cuter than the last one because those are cat cameras. I should get this.
He's pawed at me.
He's such a good boy. I love you, good boy.
What's wrong? Am I in your bed? Am I in your bed? Do you not like that?
Lay down in your bed. What a good boy. Power of suggestion.
Yeah, I gotta go. Lay down in your bed.
He's a good boy.
He's pawing at me over. There you go.
Adorable. Might just leave the audio in.
I would.
We love you, YouTube. And Leo loves you too.
Leo, you got your bed back? Did you get your bed back? Little good boy.
Shout out to all the sweet people that leave comments. I say all your names, but you know who you are. We love you. What a cutie pie that Leo guy is. He's a good boy.